Hey guys, in this video I'm going to give you a full rundown of how to use the Whatnot app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so Whatnot is a live stream action platform where users can buy and sell a variety of products, including collectibles, trading cards, sneakers, and much more. To get started, we need to go to our Play or App Store and then do a search for the Whatnot app. So Whatnot app, click search. Here it is here, Whatnot shop sell, over 1 million downloads and 100,000 reviews. So click on install. And once this goes ahead and download install onto our device, we need to open it up and create an account. So I'm just going to pause this video and get back to you once it's finished downloading and installing. All right, from here it will say welcome to Whatnot. Sign up and join live shopping community for curators and collectors. So from here, we've got a few different ways how to create an account. So if you already got an account, you can simply log in. We can continue with Google, Facebook, or email. For this demonstration, I'm going to continue with my Google account because it's probably the quickest and easiest way. So as you can see, it's going to sign me up and sign me in at the same time. Then from here, we need to put in a phone number, or we can press skip. I'm going to see if I can press skip for now. Then we need to choose a nickname. So I'm going to keep it as Tutwiz. And then under here, it'll say I'm interested in selling or whatnot. So if you are, go ahead and check that box. I'm not interested in selling. I'm just interested in buying and browsing. So I'm going to click next from here. Then from here, what's your gender? Male, female, or non-binary? I'm going to choose male. Click continue. Then it will say, what do you like the shop for? So pick a few to get started. So make sure you pick stuff that you're actually interested in because they're gonna curate the app for that inside their algorithm. So if you like sports cars, sport cards, say toys and hobbies, video games, just click what you are interested in and then tell us a bit more. So I'm just going to click next. You can be as detailed as you like. Then it'll say, and it'll come here, allow Whatnot to send you notifications. I'm going to click allow. And then as I stated before, so if you click on things you're interested in on your For You page, this is going to be curated for you. And now once we're here, let's go to our account section here where we can adjust and make changes to our profile. All right, from here you can see my username. We've got payments and shipping addresses. So what I suggest, if you're buying things, put in an address. So search for your address, or you can put it in manually and then click save. Payments and shipping, let's go ahead and have a look into there. So we require this information in order for you to make a purchase on Whatnot. So you want to put in your payment method and also set your preferred shipping information here as well. And if you've got any promotional codes, go ahead and put that in and click apply. And also if we scroll down, if you want to change your email anytime, you can by going in your profile, and also you change your password here. They've also got preferences. So your country of residence, it should be automatically selected. And they've got some more content here. So if you want direct messages, you can turn this on if you like to receive direct messages from Whatnot users. If you want to show sensitive content, go ahead and enable that. Enable this to opt in to see sensitive content, which may feature profanity or products that contain nudity. Receive gifts. Yeah, so just scroll through there and have a look what you want to enable and disable. Now on the bottom of the page, we've got all these different buttons. So if you want to have a look at activity, you can see all your activity inside Whatnot. So all in progress, completed, refunds. You've also got your messages, bids, and offers here as well. Now, if you want to go ahead and sell anything, click on the sell button here. And then it will state sell in seconds, not days or weeks. Keep more of what you earn. Sell to the best buyers in the business. So just click there to get started. It's all self-explanatory from there. Now, if we click on categories, we can go and browse all the different categories. So if I want to have a look at trading cards and games, I'm going to click onto that. And then you can see all the different type of trading card and games. If you want to be specific about it, put in here. So if I want to search for Pokemon, I'm just going to type in Pokemon cards. And then I'm going to show you in products. Now from here, we've got all the different results. So if I want to buy anything here, I just want to click onto it. So if I want to get this Charizard for USD $88, I'm going to click into it. Then from here, you can have a look at the condition. And also You can see how many people have saved this and how many people have viewed this as well. You can also go on ahead and look at their profile and see what else they're selling. So if I want to grab this, I'm going to click on the buy now button. And then, as I said, you need to put in your address, payment information, and then you need to click confirm purchase. All right, now I'm back on the home tab. So for here, you're going to have all the stuff tailored to your For You page, or you can check out different sport cards, toys, hobby, video games, and we can even do searches here as well.